GeneXus Server is a product designed to make teamwork easier. While centralizing business knowledge, it enables the permanent integration of the work of all members in a development team, even when they're at various geographical locations. Having a central KB managed by GeneXus Server implies the possibility for any authorized developer to send and receive modifications from and at his or her own workplace. We all know that interactions between developers becomes necessary during software development processes. However, these interactions are not permanent, and a developer often needs to work on his or her own. It may be necessary to temporarily leave the group in order to duly understand or to modify specific functionalities. And following that process, all changes made must be made public, apart from considering any changes made by fellow developers. For an easy implementation of this cycle, GeneXus Server provides an isolated development environment. This is in addition to communication services. Each developer works on his or her own copy of the KB, which is in turn connected to a centralized copy of the same KB managed by GeneXus Server. So, every developer has a personal KB, and this implies a number of advantages. Among other things, there is an enhanced performance and the KB status known at all times, while the full solution is being built on the server. But there are even more benefits, such as adding a new developer to the team, which means enrolling him or her in the server, as the status of the solution is well known and easily accessible. There are also RSS services that allow for the receipt of all of the project's information, not only by the developers involved, but also by others with authorized access to such services. So now, let's start working with GeneXus Server.